For 22 through the rest of them, we are adding, subtracting, and they do not have the same denominator. So 22 is 4 over r plus 7 over r minus 9. So this first rational expression is going to need an r minus 9, and the second rational expression is going to need an r. So I put one on the bottom and the top. So the bottom is going to be r times r minus 9. And the top is going to be, it's 4 times r minus 9, which if I distribute is 4r minus 36, and then it's plus 7r. So the top is 11r minus 36, and the bottom is r times r minus 9. Next one is problem 23. All right, number 23. It's 4 over y squared minus 3y plus 2. So you want to factor that. Plus 7 over y squared minus 1. So I want to factor that and see how these factors compare and what's needed to complete my least common denominator. So for this first denominator, I know I'm going to have y and y. I need two numbers that multiply to give me a positive 2 and add together to give me a negative 3. And it'd be negative 2 and negative 1. And then y squared minus 1 would be y and y. I need two numbers that, this is difference of squares, so it's going to have to be positive 1 and negative 1. All right, looking at the denominators, this one has a y minus 2 and a y minus 1. This one has a y plus 1 and a y minus 1. So this first one needs a y plus 1. Put it on the bottom and the top. And the second one needs a y minus 2. All right, so the bottom is going to be y plus 1, y minus 1, and y minus 2. And the top is 4 times y plus 1, which is 4y plus 4, plus 7 times y minus 2 is 7y minus 14. So the bottom, again, is still y plus 1, y minus 1, and y minus 2. Y minus 2. And the top is 11y minus 10. 11y minus 10 over y plus 1, y minus 1, and y minus 2. So my answer is D. Problem 24. It's x over x squared minus 16. I got to factor that. Minus, and that's going to be another thing that's going to trip people up here, is this minus in between. Sometimes throws people off a little bit. 8 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. Okay, this factors. It'd be x plus 4, x minus 4. And then this factors is going to be x plus 4, x plus 1. I need two numbers that multiply give me 4 and add to give me 5. So if you look, this one has an x plus 4 and an x minus 4. This one has an x plus 4 and an x plus 1. All right, so this one needs an x plus 1. And this one, it looks like, needs an x minus 4. So the bottom is going to have an x plus 1, an x plus 4, and an x minus 4. And the top is going to be x times x plus 1, which will be x times x is x squared, and x times 1 is x. And then I've got a minus 8 times x minus 4. So minus 8 times x is minus 8x, and then minus 8 times a minus 4 would be plus 32. So the top becomes x squared minus 7x plus 32, which doesn't factor. And the bottom is x plus 1, x plus 4, and x minus 4. So that is, let's see, looks like D. Last problem, number 25. 25 is 2 over 15x plus 4 over 21x squared. If you'll know, 15 is 3 times 5, and 21 is 3 times 7. All right, we have 2 over 15x and 4 over 21x squared. So if you think about 15 being 3 times 5 and 21 being 3 times 7, then really what I need here is I need a 7. So I'm going to put it on the bottom and top. And here I need a 5. Now they have 3, 5, and 7 on both ones. This one has an x squared. This just has an x, so I need another x here. So the bottom, 3 times 5 times 7, is 105 x squared. 105x squared is what's on the bottom of both of these now. And then the top is 14x plus 20. I think they do factor the top. You can take out a 2. 2 times 7x plus 10 over 105x squared. All right, that is it. And good luck studying. I know you'll do great on this test.